Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this free online OCR, convert scanned images to editable text. Scanned. You can scan a document. So I did a test. I scanned this text. Well, you can even see the scanning marks. It's partial way to my house. But this is the way it comes out. I ran it, and if you didn't watch the first video, I went to this website, online OCR, and the one I picked so far was the best I've seen. It's this one right here, Convert PDF. And I mean, look at this. Now I have to reformat it because it put it all in one long word. But this is the same thing. I picked this up from a scan. Look at it's a vector file. I mean, it is, let's make it 200 points. Of course, you would have to go and, go get your editable deal, and, you could make the lines longer, or shorter. I'm just going to go through here real quick. I'm not doing it probably in the right spot, but you'll get the idea. And look at that. Looks just like this. It's exact the wording of the scan, except for the scan looks like that, and your new file looks like that. It even picked out its Arial, left click, right click. It's a vector text. You can do anything you want to with it. You can use the shape tool and do what we normally do with the shape tool and move the things around. I think this is a game changer, folks. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.